Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I am so excited about this review today. It comes in this cute little box. And what is it? It is two sets actually of rechargeable fairy lights. Look at all these lights that you get. Look how big and thick that is. But here's the best part. Okay, you're gonna love this. It comes with this. It's smallish. I mean, it's as big as my hand, but it's not huge by any stretch. And you get a charger and you plug this in the back. You charge this up. Then you take the end off and you have this connection piece here. I'm going to connect this in and then screw this on. And then this is your battery essentially that is rechargeable. I love a fairy light. You all know that. But they take so many batteries, so this is such a great option. You're going to turn this on in the back, hold it, and they are on. The controls are really easy to use. You just press the button here, and it changes the function. So you have 8 different functions for this. These are incredible. I am so excited. They also come with a remote control. So when you get the remote control, you need to pull out the little plastic piece and then you can adjust your lights here with this button or with your remote control. You can turn them on. You can change all of the functions there. I'm going to go with number 8 since that is solid to show you. You can make them brighter and dimmer. So that's dimmer. I'm not quite sure if you can see that really well. I'll do this again when it's on the tree. This is my brighter function. You can do that right here. And then I love a timer. You have the 3, 5, and 8 hour timer. So when you turn your lights on and then you press 3, 5, or 8, your lights will stay on for 3, 5, or 8 hours and they will come on again the next day at the same time. So let's put these on the tree and see what they look like. Okay, before I show you on the tree, I just want to show another option. I love to put these in a vase and then on some fake flowers or fake branches. Just really adds a nice glow anywhere. Here they are on the tree. So you get a 66-foot 2-pack and you get 200 LED lights. They are on that wire type of a cord, which is great. These are waterproof, and so you can use them indoors or out. These would be great for camping, for parties. I have the warm white that I'm showing you here, and they also come in a multicolor pack. Again, you get that rechargeable power bank, and you get the charging cords plus the remote controls. These are super flexible, super durable copper wire, and that they are so small and so compact and rechargeable is just incredible. I also love just pulling these at the bottom of the tree. It just gives such a beautiful glow. You really can't go wrong with these. I love them. Put several in your cart. I love them.